Beedie is set to transform 3,676 Bainbridge Avenue in Burnaby with a massive 10-acre master plan community. This project will bring over 1,100 new homes, turning an industrial site into a vibrant residential and mixed-use neighborhood. The plan includes three 12-story condo buildings with 968 strata units, two 6-story rental buildings offering 144 below-market units, and 120 townhouses along with ground level commercial space along Winston Street. The unit mix features studios, one bedroom, two bedroom, and three bedroom homes catering to various buyers. The rental units will be 20% below CMHC median rates, making affordability a priority. The project will be built in three phases, with more non market rental units delivered earlier than required to support housing needs. A key highlight is the daylighting of Station Creek, a stream running through the site. Beatty will restore the natural ecosystem by removing pavement, improving soil conditions, planting native trees and shrubs, and enhancing Burnaby Lake's surroundings. Set for first and second readings on February 25th, this development will reshape Bainbridge into a highly desirable area. If approved, this could be a game changer for Burnaby's real estate market, making it a prime opportunity for buyers and investors. Will Bainbridge become Burnaby's next real estate hotspot? Could this be the investment opportunity you've been waiting for?
Welcome to sunny in Van, where the sun always shines. Join us on this journey to find your dream home in